Kondo ba sa BGC hanap nyo? Check nyo to. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa actual 2-bedroom unit dito sa BGC. So we have bar type kitchen, fridge, 4-burner cooktop, oven, and range hood. So we also have maid's room or guest room. Pwede ring walk-in pantry with own toilet and bath. Next naman natin dito is yung living and dining area. So may split type aircon tayo sa common areas and may access din to sa balcony. Importante din to guys yung balcony para may natural lights tayo saka para makapag-unwind. So kasya dito kahit table and chairs. So next naman natin dito guys is yung first bedroom natin. So malawak ang hallway natin guys, and also bawat bedroom may modular closet na and may split type aircon na din. So bali tatlo ang split type aircon natin dito. Next naman is yung common toilet and bath. So complete na rin to guys. Kinaganda dito, floor to ceiling ceramic tiles tayo and branded na yung mga deliverables. So ito naman yung master's bedroom. Of course, mas malaki yung walk-in closet natin and may sarili din tayo ditong master's toilet and bath. So ganun din guys, kumpleto na rin siya, floor to ceiling na ceramic tiles. And of course guys, pag 2-bedroom, syempre kailangan corner unit tayo. Sobrang lawak ng space ng bedroom na to guys ha. So yung mga project natin guys is located here in Uptown Bonifacio, BGC. So kung interested kayo guys, message nyo lang kami. Nag-o-offer kami ng no down payment, 0% interest. So that's it. Bye!